Internetworking, the interconnection between public, private, commercial, industrial, or governmental networks may be defined as an internetworking. Okay, all the group of these networks is called the internetworking. Now, types of internetworking. First one is intranet, and another one is extranet. And it is a set of networks using the internet protocol and IP-based tools. It is insulated from global internet. So these are the protocols we used in the network. So it will be a set of network, but it is insulated from global internet. So for a particular organization, intranet is used. Extranet, it is a network that is limited in scope to single organization, or we can say that it is an intranet that is accessible to some people from outside the organization or company. So only limited persons can be accessed that network outside the organization. Now internet, it consists of a worldwide interconnection of governmental, academic, public and private network based upon the networking technologies of internet protocol suite. Okay, so overall connection between the different networks is called the internet. It is based on the networking technology. Now, internetworking devices, network interface card. Network interface card is used in our devices like laptop and desktop for connecting the computer to the internet. Okay, it's also called an IC. And repeater. Now, next one is repeater. Repeater is amplify the or enhance the signals. If we have a say two-story building, we have so a modem is on the first floor, and the signal will be not much strong in the ground floor. So we use the repeater in the ground floor. So it catches the signal from the modem and then amplify it, and which is sends and again sent to the at ground level, so that it is easily can be catched by the devices on the ground level. Now hub is the use in the star topology. We discussed earlier when we studied the topologies. Now bridge, it works on the data link layer and for connecting the devices. And now router is for the connecting to the network to the internet. So with the help of router, we can access the internet. So all the data will be coming from outside network, it will be passed through the router, and then we get this. Next one is gateway. For the different protocols, we use the gateway.